Hello. Um, what they call me? What they call me again? Every moon call me Jobodo, you know. And I know you're gonna like this video, you're not gonna like the video, but hey, guess what? I don't my foot care about it. My foot care, you know. If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, guess what? um I'm gonna tell you a couple stories. Today I went to the Timache. I buy this clothes and I tell the people give me discount in it. The lady looking at me and say, discount for what? I tell the lady, radio where they use and I like the pantalon. I want you to give me a discount in it. You say $3 for the for the pantalon. And I say, man, I want to give it to me for $2. Because I call it for discount because they are already used. The lady look at me and say, hey, over there in Timache, you could go to your lakai because over there no discount. You not in Haiti. Everything people said you gotta say give it to me for money. You Haitian too cheap. And I tell the lady I found you very disrespectful to me because the clothes I really like it. If I told you give me the clothes for $2 and he said $3, I want it. Okay, and I say okay. I don't really care about it because I don't really remember it. You know, I don't really remember it and whatever. And yesterday I was with my wife. She went to her uncle house and I told her when she come in around 12 o'clock and I told her where you at. She told me I was looking my uncle house because you too bored. Oh, this girl tell me I'm too bored. I get the men who have all the fun. They call me Mr. Six Pack. Guess what? I tell the woman, okay, next time you do that, you're gonna see what happened to you. Guess what? Oh, the woman told me, whatever you know, I know it. I do a kung fu, yeah. She's like, what? Guess what, too? She looking at me. She give me a slap in my face. Oh, my down almost salty. Oh, Letanel. When I check my down, and I get everything. And I say, thank you, Jesus. The woman look at it away. Hey. And he look at me. She said, next time you ask me those questions, you're gonna see what happened to you. I'm gonna make sure I pull one of your dent out. You're gonna pull up my dent out. That's why they call me on the street gangster. I'm gonna but today I'm gonna look for a karate school. When I look to the karate school, I wanna know if the people can motre me à to gourmet because I really want to gourmet because this girl really she tough, you know, she tough. But guess what? They call me guest against people who can believe me. In the street they think I'm a G. You know, I'm a G. You know, I've been going my dread for 6 years, you know, 6 years and I see never come up. Guess what? I'm gonna give them 6 more years. 6 more years, they should be good. You know, I should be good. I wanna get drill up. I wanna get a little dread so I could go up. You know, they've been here for 6 years. You know, 6 years and 6 more years. I think I could probably twist them a little. Twist them a little will be good. You know, and in 20 years my dread will be good. I'll be get dread. You know, I get dread like Lil Wayne. You know what I'm saying? I could shake them. Shake the dread. You know. But guess what? Any woman out there, or any men, those men, I tell you, those women sometimes right now, they scary. They know what to do kung fu. So be careful with them. Because they're going to do some kung fu on you. And you're going to miss it some teeth. So, I see you next time.